Hello everyone, this is Fun Roblox. Today we're gonna make an egg. First step, get a pan. Second step, get an egg and get some ham. Next up, we're gonna spray the pan if I don't drop it. We're done spraying the pan. Next, we're gonna crack the egg. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, crack the egg. So let me figure something out real quick. I'm just gonna have to be careful. Let me turn it on here. I will see you when I get this egg in the pan. No, stop. Okay, we have on the egg. Make sure you will get a spatula. This one's my multi-purpose tool. Now what's the back one? What? What to cook? Just sit you up here. Maybe we cook. Oh my god. Now we just wait. I like to cook mine a certain way. Cook them however way you want them cooked. But okay, so I'm gonna be having milk with mine here. You got milk if you want. You can also make a sandwich with this too. But we put this in for a minute. For us to cook. Wait. It does take time of cooking the eggs. I put mine on max. I don't want to ruin my stove. So I pulled out my skillet I'm going to use to start cooking for these videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you want more food videos to come out. No, this takes time to cook, but since I got mine on that, we should have gotten cooking this. So. I also like to put pepper on mine. But put whatever you want on it, do whatever you want. This is how it cooked, and I think it's time for this. I ate mine a certain way. I think mine is certain way if I get this one split. First. Always make sure when you're doing this, make sure you have adult with you. If kids are watching. Make sure. Because this be dangerous. This can be dangerous. I really like this spatula so much because it can help me out and it is multi-purpose. For the purpose of this video, always use a plate. I'm gonna use a bowl for this video. You need to get a good look at it. Smells good. There we go. You gotta hold of the egg. There we go. There we go. We got the eggs in. Make sure your stuff is off. There we go. This is how you make egg. I will do a tutorial how to make a scrambled egg too. Enjoy.